Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will do a short review on a Motomaster's 1200 amps jump starter and a power bank. So I got this jump starter on a sale in Canadian Tire and I paid around $125. So if you are in the States, that's around, I believe, $95 US. And for that I got quite a good deal, I believe. So it comes in a nice small bag with a hand on top. We can pack everything nicely inside. Also, here are the cables which you will connect to the battery terminals. This is the charger that connects to any kind of USB port to charge the jump starter, and you also have a DC outlet so you can connect your phone or whatever. Okay, so let's get into it. Here on the top side, this is where you can connect the cables to boost start the vehicle, right? Then here on this side, you will have two USB ports, and you will also have a flashlight which you can turn on by pushing onto this button on the top. And here on the side, you will have a DC outlet, and here is where you can charge this adapter. These are the options it has. Once you plug it in, the lights will illuminate. It will show you how much it's charged up. It's at 100% right now, and then you can connect it to the battery terminals, black one to the negative and the red one to the positive. Now I tested this thing. First I boost started my old Ford F-150 with a 5.4 engine, and this small booster was able to turn it over and start the vehicle. After that I was pretty sure that's about everything I will get from it, but then I took it to the other vehicle, Ford Taurus with V6 3.5 engine, and I also was able to boost start that vehicle, and the battery was completely dead on it. And after that, so two boosts, the battery was showing around 75%, and then I connected my phone and tried to charge my phone to see if I'll be able to do it, and my phone charged to 100%, and then the battery life dropped to around 50%. So this is a very good buy, and I believe every person should have something like this in a car. It's not only good to boost the car, but also you can charge your battery or anything else if you end up in trouble. So for $100 it's really something everybody should have. Okay, so I charged my phone by connecting it to the USB port on the side, but what you can also do, you can connect this DC port right here, like this, and then you can insert this 12-volt car adapter into this outlet and charge this way as well. So that's pretty awesome. It's, in my opinion, this is definitely worth $125 which I paid for it. Only one downside for this jump starter is the only way to charge it is by a USB cable, right? So that means you cannot connect it to the power outlet and charge it up. So you have to plug it in, I don't know, into computer, laptop, or any other USB port. This cable will plug in here, and then you have to connect the USB port somewhere to charge it up, and that's not too handy in my opinion. I would expect to be able to plug in this thing to a power outlet in a wall and charge it up, right? And then the second option should be this USB charging. But other than that, I believe this is a great thing to have in your car. Like I said, whatever happens, if your battery dies for some reason or you leave your lights on, you'll always be able to start the vehicle. And you can also use it as a flashlight or a USB power source to charge your battery or anything similar. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.